Hear this from a doctor and learn and stop this attitude now, because I say this is very, very common. And I wonder why people do it, because this is just what common sense would tell someone not to do, especially those of you with children. Get to know what you are bringing inside your home that can be extremely harmful to your children.
Stop wearing outdoor shoes inside your home. As a doctor, I follow a strict no outdoor shoes inside home policy. This is because shoes can carry various toxins including pesticides, chemicals, viruses, bacteria, and heavy metals like lead. In fact, research shows that 96% of shoe soles carry fecal bacteria including E. coli, which can lead to severe gut infections and UTIs. This is especially concerning in homes with crawling children who have a habit of putting everything in their mouths. To minimize these risks and keep your home healthy, I strongly recommend removing shoes before entering any home. Share this with your loved ones to spread awareness and follow